Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video I'm going to show you how to claim your rewards on Robinhood. So this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you've invited someone to use Robinhood and you want to go ahead and claim your reward on Robinhood. How do you actually go ahead and do that? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. So in order to do this, what you're first going to do is open up Robinhood. So once you're logged onto Robinhood, the first thing that you want to do is you want to click on the button on the bottom right hand corner, which is the icon of a person. Next, you're going to click on the hamburger icon on the upper left hand corner. Then click on rewards and then click on past on the upper right hand corner. And so right now you see some blurred out information here, but here you can see that there's a referral for an individual that I invited. You want to go ahead and click on claim. Once you click on claim, that right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and see rewards on Robinhood. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.